Do you have your mic on squad or all? I actually put by myself for the one game that I was in, and I could hear the people coming after me, and I was so fucking terrified. Oh, I turned it off. It's in your settings.
Yeah, just settings.
You have to go to weapons. So go to settings and then scroll under weapons.
Sorry, this and this and these. Guess this is all mine now. A piece of advice. Don't underestimate the delivery girl.
Dude, he was sweaty. He almost killed me.
I think some people have controller support. Cause just like the way that some people are moving around, it's a little, yeah.
I wouldn't doubt it. Hey, that was a champion right there.
Yeah, it's literally like the first thing it says auto fire for weapons. Yeah, just turn that right off.
I think you're the jump master, Starlight.
Why am I? How do I give it away?
I don't know.
How do I give it away? I don't want this.
Just jump straight down. Dude, I'm going straight down the front of the house.
Okay, I'm also going there. I hate this.
Oh yeah, big fact. Oh, I got an M4.
Oh, Jesus.
M4 is kind of OP. Yeah,
do you
like
guys also have like the issue of where if you don't click your left joystick, you'll just slow walk?
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you have to run.
Oh, I know, but like it'll like auto do it sometimes, and it makes me hate life. You know, I have to keep clicking it. I don't know if you guys knew how to get rid of that.
I'm with you. Nah. Hell yeah, I'm getting in. That boys.
There are so many green shields.
Can I shoot in this? Oh, I can't shoot in this.
Oh, you can punch.
Yeah, the puncher sucks though. Hella bad. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have my headset in.
I don't know. Ever since I turned on my mic, I can barely hear anything.
Got him. The enemy squad.
No, I think you just killed the same person.
I'm on him.
Empty clips are a definite no.
If I could teabag you, I would.
You with the assist. Oh, there's no ping. This way. To the right.
Oh god, I gotta reload. Stolen!
Dang, again! You suck.
Oh, here comes a car. I see a car. Oh shit.
Yeah.
By this bus.
Someone's shooting at me.
Yeah, you just fucked that guy. Dude. That's out.
Double kill.
Yeah, just got fucked up.
Someone's right here with me.
Survival.
I had place up. I don't know. There's a lot of notifications.
Bro, this shit is going down. Oh, I'm down.
I destroyed their car. Here, I'm gonna grab users.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a bunch of cars.
Time for some artillery.
Can I revive you? Please and thank you.
Triple kill.
I got him. I got him.
oh my god, I gotta heal up.
You are now the Reaper. Quadra kill.
Careful, guys.
Yeah, we should
Watch
get
your
that team on
six.
the hill. Those are the fuckers that knocked me.
How did you ping?
Looks like they went over the hill.
I don't see a ping. Oh, there it is. Never mind. I see it. Damn. Dude. This is like my third game. Give me a break.
Oh my god, they're right here, 3 stacked. I'm gonna fuck this dude. Look at them. They're right.
Hey guys, come over here. Direct hit. Maggie's getting a
This place is good. I like it.
Oh my god, I think I made him.
I know, shields.
lightning speed.
You suck.
I'm healing.
Stealing my shit.
Are you?
Supply ship en route.
How do I
Are you-
change
are you
this?
down?
Are you?
Let's rumble.
Is he?
No, you still got full
Open
health.
fire.
No, you're good. You don't even have like any. You still have shields, baby. Someone like right
Time
next
for
to
some
me.
artillery.
I'm pushing over to you.
I'm gonna push towards him.
Yeah, there's.
I'm down. Help me up. Gotta keep going.
Start
God
delivering air
damn it,
loss.
user. Dude, I was fighting somebody else, man.
Reloading as fast as I can.
Got him.
A
User!
has arrived.
God damn.
We gotta get him up because the storm's coming.
I don't even know where he is.
Airdrop
Where is he?
delivered.
Where the fuck is he? Oh, there he is.
Fuck, he's dead. He should be able
Well,
to
he can-
respawn.
How do you respawn? Okay, okay.
I think it's automatic.
I
A new
don't know what I'm
beginning.
doing.
A little warm
Gonna
up
be
first.
honest.
I don't know. I'm running towards storm though. Storm hurts so bad.
Direct hit.
Oh, it says that he can respawn.
Yep.
How far are we away from this? Oh,
I don't know.
super far.
I'm hit. Got him. Ah.
Run, bitch, run.
Bombardment incoming.
Mega kill.
Fuck that shit. But I want no sauce.
Jump, please. Oh my god, lady, please.
God, if I could just have an X button.
Survival bonus. Respawners disabled.
Use the trees for cover.
Nice.
Easy fire.
He's so one.
Nah.
These clips are a definite
Got
no,
one.
and I'm hit. It's not looking good.
Reloading.
Mm. I was just gonna say I shot the shit out of him. His
Single
teammates
last one
coming.
of you.
What does this do?
Let's broke this guy.
Supply ship en route.
Oh, I'm getting shot from that way.
Go here.
Behind.
Don't look down on me.
I'm getting shot from behind.
Third. I'm gonna heal then. Cause there's hella shit over this hill. We should push towards the ring.
He's so low.
Alright, I'm getting my sights in.
Taking fire.
I got him.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Airdrop delivered.
Cut down.
This motherfucker.
Time for some artillery.
Fuck this
How do
guy
I-
up. Fuck this.
How do I loot? Why can I loot? Okay. Oh, it's a button I have to push?
Reloading.
Yeah, bitch.
Unstoppable.
Reloading.
Grab it. Yeah, I'm pushing towards the ring. I'm not getting caught out in outside.
Lightning speed.
He's so weak.
Load it up.
Oh my god.
Reloading.
There's people like right in front of you. They're coming to you, user.
There's a muzzle here. Level 2.
Oh, I'm out of that ammo.
Dude. Oh fuck, get in the building, get in the building. Yeah, bitch.
Don't look down on me.
Oh my god, we gotta go to ring so bad. See you later, bitch.
Car. Reload.
Reloading.
Survival bonus.
I'm running towards the ring. Hella tough.
Machine.
I have no ammo. All I have is shotgun right now.
I picked up two ARs. I'm looking for the guy in the water. I haven't seen him. Bombardment incoming. Somebody's targeting us. Look at the mini map.
A good location. Let's go.
I just got shot from somewhere.
Supply
Time for
ship
some
en route.
artillery.
Oh my good god.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm getting hit by something.
Target hit.
Yeah, fuck these guys up.
Got him.
Reloading as fast as I can.
Fuck, I went down.
Oh man, I'm hit. I'm down. Help me up. Gotta keep
Start
going.
delivering airdrops.
You
Yeah, I
got
know I
it.
needed to reload. I needed to reload.
It's the end. I don't need your pity.
Alright, I'm backed out. How do you back out?
Don't worry. The truth always comes out.
No, but user is not muted. Oh, user went offline.
Sorry. Can I take this stuff?
Oh, God's in here. Yeah, and if you tap your gun, you can run faster. Yeah, unfortunately, I have to talk to me. You think they're gonna fix it for a better controller support?
Sorry, this and this and these. Guess the question.
Oh, you guys can use
Maggie's
medkits
favorite.
and restore your shields faster?
Make yourself useful. Get me a latte.
Oh, she drops a fucking resource thing. I didn't know that. Do you guys know what your abilities do? Like your passives?
Una la partida me toca ese compañero de él. No te la creo. No te la creo.
User, are you
Me
muted?
llama, no comparto nada. ¿Qué lo que?
To fight
Can I-
together is my
Oh,
honor.
Sure as hell was muted.
There you go. User, can you accept that?
Victory! Here we come.
Why does it make me jump? I don't want it.
I know is next-
absolutely need it. There's people landing with us.
All I know is this game, we gotta be the first ones to ring if we want to win.
Oh man, I'm hit. Stop
Yeah,
calm
people already
down.
got guns.
Help me up. Gotta keep going.
I'm coming too.
Hey, guys, I'm back.
I'm hit. Dang it, lightning speed reload coming up.
Can we rush him? I
Yeah, I don't
believe.
know how. No, he should be
I-
dropping in.
Okay.
Yeah, I killed him. Try to look for the UMP.
Ah, there's people. There's people.
That's probably his
User.
teammate. I'm coming. That's a fucking
A
clown.
good location. Let's go.
Going for my shields.
I'm down. Help me up. Gotta keep going.
Yeah, the guy was
My
kind of
brothers and
good.
sisters in arms. So long.
That's what I'm saying. Like some people, it feels like have controller support.
You kill that guy?
No, I'm trying to. He's really fucking jumpy.
Yeah, he's on the fucking.
Lightning speed reload coming up. Don't look down on me.
Get fucked.
Can we read? Oh, I can.
There's a shield here. Level 3.
I'm reviving him.
Alright. That dude should be out of the game now unless his team comes and get him.
A new beginning.
I'll come back.
Warm up first.
I wish the turning sensitivity I could turn up too, like my left and right.
Yeah,
I need some SMG ammo.
to like
Anyone?
turn your sights and stuff. Yeah, no, I definitely feel that.
Right. We're in ring, thank God.
I don't know what this does, but I'm doing it.
Surprise! Surprise from the air.
That's a grenade.
Time to fly.
Yeah, I have a fart cloud.
Reloading. Let's
Oh, there's
rumble.
people. There's people.
Direct hit. Ambush. Direct hit. Don't look down on me. Reloading. I'm reloading as fast as I can. Wait a sec. No one's left alive? Aw.
Survival bonus.
We got a blue shield on us if you need it.
Yeah. I have to open this. Ooh, holy crap. There's an AK in here. If anyone wants that.
Yeah, that's
There's
what
a
I got.
shield here. Level 3.
I have no idea
Looking
what
for an
gun
M4.
this is.
The M4 and the UMP 45 are like the best right now.
Open fire!
All behind you.
I got you.
The fuck am I stuck in? Oh my god.
Becky is getting attacked.
Fucking heal.
Reloading.
Make sure you kill the people that are down.
You're the ones left alone. Enemy squad down.
There's one right here.
Yeah,
We can
you
go
know,
here.
blood boxes.
Reloading. I'm coming.
A new Reaper has arrived.
I'm the Reaper. I want to be the Reaper.
Jesus.
Yeah, these people can fly back.
We've got like basically middle of ring. People are gonna be landing on us like all mad.
Yeah, there's one right there.
That dude, I hit that dude for like.
He's done.
Open fire.
Reloading. Hey, I got ambushed.
Defeat the enemy squad.
No one's left alive? Oh.
Reloading. Let's rumble.
Supply ship en route.
See that guy over there?
There's one right here.
Kill me.
He's
Oh, he's
jumping
flying
over
in.
me. I was like, I
Yeah,
see
he
the
just-
footsteps. Yeah,
So he just flew
right
in
here.
at this blue building. Yeah.
Here? On your
He's
mark.
AFK.
No one's lightning speed. Reloading.
Start delivering
Stop
airdrops.
fucking dying, man.
I feel like we're doing a lot better this round.
Yeah, we're not fucking. Not running to ring. They're already closing in.
There's footsteps here.
Fire.
Direct hit.
Got him.
Hey, give me a good feeling.
Reloading. Let's rumble. I'm hit.
Refilling
I'm gonna
that.
start heading towards middle of ring.
On my way.
Yeah, I'm gonna start trying to group up a bit.
Let's move here.
A new Reaper has arrived.
A new Reaper.
Let's move here.
Is someone else flying in on us? Yes.
I'm coming.
Oh,
No one's left alive.
Survival bonus. Respawners disabled.
Behind us. Is there more people flying in?
Exchanging fire.
What's that sound then?
Double kill.
Ooh.
yeah. I'm trying to grab this dude for me.
I'm hit.
Triple kill.
Fuck.
Supply ship en
I was gonna
route.
say, I thought I heard somebody. There's something gold over here. I want to see what it is.
Exchanging fire.
Hey, where'd did you say you wanted to go?
Kill.
They're in the middle of the ring,
Mm.
so we're not like out.
Mega kill.
No, I got you.
Building
I got you.
turret.
Nice. I
Down.
mean,
Help me up.
oh.
Gotta keep going.
I don't even. You're out of
Where even is he? Oh my god, why'd you go that way?
We did.
But you're so
Brothers
far
and
away
sisters
from
in
me.
arms.
Oh, there's
So
other
long.
people. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Reaper has been killed.
Hit! I got you. Enemy squad
Did you
down.
kill that guy behind us?
You swiped it from me.
Let's push forward to this big building. Looks like it's gonna end here. There's hella people. Yeah, no.
Three enemy squads remaining.
Yeah, it's us and the champions. That's who I'm pretty sure. I
Yeah,
saw over
across
there.
the way.
We can go here.
Yeah, they're over
Yeah.
there right now.
Where are you at? Alright, let's push. Yeah, you did. He's camping stairs.
There's a couple.
Target hit.
Need to reload.
I'm gonna heal.
Two enemy squads remaining. One enemy squad remaining.
Haha, no.
Supply ship en route.
Please reload.
There's
Refilling magazine.
There's a car.
On my way.
shit.
Target
In the
hit.
building. Come on, you fuck. Fight me over here. In the building.
Why? Their car isn't that. It's not that good.
Alright, I'll push it.
I don't even know where they went.
I just don't want to get caught by the other two people.
Start delivering airdrop.
Behind us as well. Get in the house.
Okay, you're hurt. I'm gonna heal.
Airdrop delivered.
Bitch. I want to heal again. There should only be one left. Or two.
It says there's 4. So there's 2. Yeah, they're across the way right
We
here.
can go here.
They're behind that fence. They're gonna be pushing
Yeah.
us.
Oh yeah, this dude's real.
He's cracked.
60 flash. I'm gonna buff my shield real quick.
You're good.
Right here, right here. This building.
God, turning
Just
sucks
fine.
in this goddamn game.
70 shield on him.
Reloading.
20 shield on him. Coming to you.
Target hit.
Oh, he's going for beacons.
It takes a while to revive.
Supply
You stay on
ship
that side, I'll
en
stay on
route.
this side.
Any place.
Start delivering airdrop.
Reload coming up. Direct hit. Enemy killed.
Yeah, you fuck.
How are they moving so fast?
Airdrop
There's a orange shield
delivered.
right here, though, for you.
God, it feels like it takes me forever to like turn when I'm shooting.
Oh, yeah, you're telling me. That's why I'm playing off the buildings. Fucking hiding like that, dude.
Well, I have my disturb. Oh,
I'm gonna heal.
I don't even see where he is.
I don't know, but he fucked
That
me
one?
up, though.
I was gonna say, cause my cloak's
Get cover.
my disturb is poisonous.
Reload coming up.
No, he's over there.
Should we move here?
Yeah,
Can
he's
I-
on the roof.
Can I?
Yeah, this dude's real.
God, he's got really good movement.
I'm hit.
Fuck, I need a shield.
I got better aim, boy.
Make yourself useful. Get me a light.
Out of the way! Out of the way! Maggie is in a rush!